Hello, Intro to Computer Science. This is your very first video regarding writing code in Python. So today, for our example, I am using idle, which is the built-in IDE from python.org. And I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how you use this, and we're going to actually write our very first program. So if you have idle, or if you're using Replit, go ahead and create a new project. If you're using idle, what you want to do is, this is called the shell, and this is where the application you write actually runs. So we don't need this right now. We need the place to actually write code. So I'm going to pull in the file menu. I'm going to choose new file, and that will open up a place for us to actually write some code. And we're going to do a really simple program called Hello World, and basically all it does is just print out the words Hello World to the screen. That's it. So we're going to learn a new command today, and that command is print. So I'm just going to go ahead and type print, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some parentheses after it. And then we're going to put the words hello world inside of those parentheses, and just like that. And you see how idle, or IDE, see how it color codes things, so you can tell the difference between a command and this is called a string, which are just words on the screen. So let's go ahead and let's run our code and see if it works. Remember, it's just supposed to print out to the screen hello world. Before we can actually run it, we have to save it. So I'm going to choose save here. I'm just going to save it to my desktop here, and I'm going to call this hello world. And I'm just pressing save. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the Run menu, and I'm going to choose Run Module. Notice there's a keyboard shortcut F5, so I'm going to go ahead and press that. Run Module. It goes back to the shell, and there you can see in blue right there, it printed out Hello World to the screen. Hopefully you had the same success. Congratulations on writing your very first program in Python.